Charming brick 4-bedroom, 2 full bath home tucked back in beautiful rose gardens. This home boasts a fantastic floor plan with 2 spacious first-floor bedrooms, a large family room with access to side porch, a large eat-in kitchen and 2 spacious upstairs bedrooms. A detached garage has electricity and is currently separated into 2 spaces. Ask about the pre-list inspection. Be sure to check out the garage. It's converted into hangout space that their teenagers use as a little den, and front half is storage. This home has easy access to Naval Base Norfolk, I-64, Ward's Corner, Aju, EVMS, downtown Norfolk, and more.